Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove background using the green screen effect. This is perfect for creative edits, memes, and placing yourself anywhere in the world. So, if you have CapCut on your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store and download CapCut because we're about to get this over with. So, head over to your CapCut app and enter the app. So when you enter the CapCut app, I'm supposed to film myself in a green screen, but since I'm not filming myself, I want to take you through another way which you can understand this step very easy, how you can remove background using the green screen effect. So tap on new project. After tapping on new project, let's select picture. So I want to edit this picture. So let's go with this picture. You see this picture over here? This picture, you see this picture over here? This picture is not actually what you are trying to edit. What I'm showing you is how to remove background using the green screen effect. So right now, we have to look for a way to add a green screen effect that will remove the background so you can understand how did you remove this background. How did you remove this background? So what do we do? Head over to your overlay. You can see overlay right here. Tap on overlay. Then you tap add overlay. When you tap add overlay, I don't actually have any video or picture here with green screen. So what do I do? How do I get one? You see this library over here, you tap on library. Automatically you will see different images, although they are on the paid plan, but that notwithstanding, I'm creating this video so you can have knowledge of it. Okay, so you scroll and you will see green screen. You tap on green screen over here. Over here you can see different green screen effect which you can like to try out. You can definitely try out. So right now I think we should go with this subscribe button, because so many people actually find it very hard to add this subscribe button to their video, and maybe this will just be a good tutorial for them how they can add subscribe button to their video. So you tap on it. After tapping on it, you add it. So right now, are you seeing? I think it's even longer than the picture. So what do? We tap on the picture, we tap on the picture and we just increase it. We just increase it to the length of the green screen. So how do you remove the green screen? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove the background, how to remove this background from the green screen. So what do? You tap on the green screen, then you look for chroma key. Chroma key. Are you seeing remove background? Tap remove background. Are you seeing auto remover? That's on the paid plan. So you tap chroma key. When you tap chroma key, you move it to which color do you want to remove. If it's the red you want to remove, you tap on the red. Are you seeing the red will automatically goes off? If it's the white, you tap on the white will automatically goes off. That's what chroma key do. It selects a particular color and it removes it entirely. So since we are doing this we are doing this tutorial for green screen effect, so we tap on the green over here. Then what do? We increase the intensity. We increase the intensity to 100. But you see 100 is too much. 100 is even making the white goes off, so we reduce it. At most we put it at 60. We just leave it at 61. Then you see shadow. We increase shadow. Then if we are using the paid plan, we can use this clean up edge. But since we are not using a paid plan, we just do away with it. You understand? So we have automatically removed the background with this green screen effect. So what do we do now? You tap on it, then you resize. Where do you want it to be? You can decide to put it at the top of your video or at the down of your video. But this is for picture. So we'll just put it at I would actually like us to just put it at this this place here, close to his leg. So this is what we get. I see. So beautiful. So these are ways you can add your YouTube logo to your video, and I think this is this green screen is the best way you can add your YouTube logo to your video. Also, you can add more green screen effects since we already have green screen library. You understand where we got this from? Since we already have green screen library, I would like to add more green screen effects so you can so you know, practice make perfect. The more I continue bringing this, the more you continue understanding how you can remove background using the green screen effect. So, well, which other one do we bring out? I think we just bring out this. I wanted to bring out that music play button, but I think maybe we can find something else. So, I think we should just add this seashore. It won't make any big difference though. Okay, let's just add this. So, adding this to your video, let's see how it goes. So this right now is on the video. Now I want to remove green screen effect. Want to remove the background. So remember, I told you tap on the clip, then you look for chroma key. But where you get chroma key, you get your chroma key from remove background. So you tap on remove background, then you use your chroma key to select the color you want to remove. If you want to remove black, you see all the whole all if you remove black now, automatically those people will be without clothes. They'll be naked. You understand? So the color we are looking at is in green. You see, we are looking towards green. So what do we do? You increase the chroma key. I told you increase it to 60, 61. So right now it's on 60. You increase your shadow, and then you clean up edge if you are on the paid plan. But since we're not a paid plan, you do away with it. So this is what you get. You see, you can resize it so it will just be like something here. So it will be like, wow, where are they going to? Instant. After adding your green screen effect, you can decide to use you can decide to add some effect to your green screen to make it pop. So let's find some effect we can use. Wow, I think I just deleted that right now, making me be like, ah, where did it went to? So I just tap on the undo button, and that's how I brought it back. So what do? We want to like add an effect to this to make it pop. So you just scroll and look for effect. You see effect. You can decide to use any effect as you wish. So you see this. So you see how the effect keep showing on the green screen. You see this. So that's how you add your effect. But I don't add any effect. I just want to show you how you can also add effect. And that's how you remove background using the green screen effect. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. Leave a comment, more CapCut tips, or drop a question. What do you want us to do next for you? And we'll get it done. This is Create with Freething. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.